Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shivani and today's video is going to be about a few things that I've purchased very recently and I wanted to do a mini haul for you. First off, I have a couple of clothes. So these ones are from Zudio and they're two pairs of night clothes. I'll show you how they look like. So this is the first pair, okay? And it's a very pretty blue striped pant with some lemons on it, as you can see in the prints, and we have a yellow top. The top looks like this and it's a very nice lemonish kind of a top. This is a print. This set is for 699 and I got this like in one of those sections, you have this section where you can buy home clothes. I went there and I picked it up. I was actually very confused between that and this one which I'm going to show. So this is the second one. The top looks like this. It's very me coded, Shivani coded, and this is how it looks like. It's a very Pinteresty top, if I'd have to call it, and it's got these strawberries and some matcha croissant pancakes and some avocado and oranges right there, which is so good. It's oversized, guys, so comfortable tops, wearing them at home. I prefer oversized clothes, although my nanny keeps saying that why do you buy clothes which are like so huge for you, but quite honestly I feel very comfortable in them. This is a very Pinteresty pant. It's those classic light pink with dark pink stripes which look so good. Both the pants are full length. I actually wanted to buy like a short sort of a pant, but then I ended up going for these. So they are both in cotton, and the second set which I show right now, that is also for 699. Next up, I have few more things to show you. Actually, this is a part of a project pan. So project pan is a project which I am starting in my channel, where I'll be telling you that what are the products I completely emptied. So pan, when you reach the bottom of a product and empty it completely, that is project pan. So the idea is to use every single product or every single thing which I have to the fullest till it is completely empty and then discard it. And of course that's the exact meaning of project pan. And I have been doing empties video, right? So in empties video also, it's like I finish the product fully and that is when I tell you about its empty. So it's kind of like I have been doing empties, which means I have been emptying the things which is also like project pan, but this is a very intentional one. That's simply because I don't want to hoard anymore. I don't want to have like dupes. I'm not dupes, sorry. I don't want to have products which are like backups. I just want to make sure that I use one. Once it's done, I go and get the next one, because so far I have been having backup. So when there's a sale, I just go and get them. Then again, a backup of one I think is still okay, but my backups are like 2, 3, 4, which is getting a little bit I think a burn situation on my pocket, which I don't want anymore. So project pan is going to happen and I am beginning it from like right now. This is the start of project pan. Okay, next. So in this video I also want to show you a few of my other products which I got from DMart, and there are a lot more. It's a mix, okay? It's a mix of things which I got from Zudio, DMart, Miniso and all of that. So just stay tuned. If you're going to decide which is nice and all, I don't want to compare them because each product is different in their own way. So I'll be only telling you what I got, how much I paid for it, what material it is, and why I picked it up, and if I like it or not, like that, okay? So this one is a part of the empty. I just finished this recently. It's my roll-on in from Sol de Janeiro. It is a Rio Dio Cherryosa 68 fragrance. I'll be very honest with you, I love these roll-ons because they're so soft and very moisturizing. So when you use them, you just feel like it's gliding on your underarm, and it keeps all the smell and it just makes your underarm feel alive. This one here, the fragrance was a little light for me. Yeah, so it's a bit floral and it's not something which I would like pick personally, if I go and get one again, I love the yellow one, which I'll be putting on the screen right here. The yellow one is like my favorite. I will definitely pick that one over this. But if you're someone who likes this aesthetic, then you will like this too. Just that again, see, when you, let's say you finish a product, okay, so I would say कि आप wait करो till the sale comes, and once the sale comes you can go and get it. But then again, you have to just be very what do you say, aware of what is going on around and all of that. So that's very important. Okay, my summer favorite, I've spoken about this with you guys. This is the Nivea body lotion aloe hydration. It's very refreshing, very moisturizing, perfect for these harsh summers. It is awesome. And this is a 5-in-1 complete care with deep moisture serum and 100% natural aloe vera. It's for all skin types. It gets sucked into your skin like water, and it does not feel heavy at all. You don't feel sweaty or you don't feel it heavy on your skin. That is what I love about this, and this is probably one of my second or third bottle. And since this is over, what I do is I ulta it and I let this, all of the insides come till here. I just twist open the bottle and I get all the product out, and that's exactly why I store it like this now. So these were the two empties. I have another empty which I want to talk to you about. Now this empty is from Zudio, and this range is something which is so close to my heart. I really cannot tell you how awesome this is. This is the one which I got. It's the Zudio Sun Stick, okay, and it is called the Zudio Sun Slay. It's the SPF 40 sunscreen stick enriched with vitamin C, and the packaging is to die for. I love this. It just feels like an eraser, to be very honest. So this one here, it just opens like this and it comes off like a lip balm, and you can glide this on your skin like wherever you want. I put this in my bag, like it's very portable, very lightweight. It's just a small, it feels like a stationery. So I swipe this on my hand, on my face. The point is I can use this anywhere on my body, and it does the job of protecting you from those harsh sun rays. And now the temperature, the UV rays is very bad. People have said 12 to 4 p.m. like on the news and stuff, 12 to 4 p.m. you're not even supposed to step out. So if you're someone who has to step out either way, I would say sunscreen is mandatory, and applying it every 2 hours is super mandatory, because you apply it once in the morning, come back home, and you're like, why do I have to reapply it? Because the properties of it would just fade away and you have to obviously reapply it again. So this is one of my favorites, but the sad part is it's not available. So Zudio has this concept, okay, they release a product, they sell it out, like they just keep selling the product, and once it's done or once they're out, they reinvent, they create new things, and the cult favorites or the ones which you are eyeing or you're in love with or you really liked, those ones will not be available anymore. And this is actually nice in some ways because you will get to try new things. But if you're someone who's like a loyal customer or a loyal person to a product, then you will miss out, because I tried asking across various stores, okay, and this range, so this range Sun Slay is not available anywhere. So yeah, that makes me a little sad, but it's okay. For the time that it existed, the sunscreen stick, I loved it. This one here, this is a Zudio perfume, and this one is called Golden Nectar. I haven't opened this, maybe I will do it right now with you guys. So this is by Juice Bar. It's a blend of blackcurrant, cardamom, a mix of lemon and mandarin, a drop of jasmine, a dash of cedarwood, a pinch of patchouli, a hint of Peruvian balsam, a touch of sandalwood and vetiver. This is a very day fragrance according to me. When I tried this at the store, I was like, wow, this is not one of those fragrances I would expect in Zudio. It was something so different from what they usually make. They usually make like mouth-watering, fruity floral, like a mix of fruity floral, or they make like a musky one, or they just get some strong fragrance in. But this was so different, like I cannot tell you. So I'm just going to open it to just tell you how it is. So this one is also a perfume that was developed in France. That's what it says in the behind when I'm actually reading it right now. Yeah, it's a little expensive. It's like 249 rupees. When I say little expensive, I am trying to compare it with the other Zudio perfumes that are out there, which is usually 99 to 149. So I checked out multiple products in Zudio. Okay, so almost every product which they sell is under rupees 100. So if you're on a budget, I would say please drop by Zudio and you would love it. You get everything now. You get starting from footwear, bags, apparel, clothes, home clothes, inner clothes, outside clothes, office wear. You get men's collection, you get scrubs, face wash, basically toiletries also you get, like the main stuff. You'll get tissues, you'll get makeup related like lipstick, lip glosses. The list is endless. You get kids fashion, everything under one roof, which is so nice. I mean, just look at the bottle. So I will put a detailed review on this very soon once I open and start using it. But I just wanted to show you how the bottle looks like, which is so gorgeous. And it reminds me of sunshine, like totally sunshine in a bottle vibes. And given it's summer, and it kind of feels like the sunset summery vibe. So this is how it is. And any other perfume is just like a normal dispensing perfume. It is not a mist, it's like a EDP. So this is something which I absolutely love. I'm just going to put it back in the package and we will move on to the next product. I have two products from Zudio which I got, and I have already stored stuff in them, stuff which I want to talk about for this empty slash video where I am doing a haul. So this is the one. Yeah, there are two. These are two bags which I got from DMart, and let's take a moment to see the pattern. It looks so pretty. I absolutely love this. This has got like a very nice leafy floral print on it, and this one here is more of like a Paris sort of a print on it, which I absolutely love. Very European vibes. Eiffel Tower and all of that just makes me feel like, when am I going to France? When am I going to Europe? Anyway, that's not the point of the video. Let's move on. So these were the two bags which I got from DMart, as I was saying, and each bag is for 149 rupees, which is so awesome. Love the quality, love the zip, love the space it holds, its functionality, it is perfect. I love anything that is highly functional, and this is so nice. So let's do one bag at a time. So we have like all products which I got. Like I keep saying in this video, like I don't know how many times I told that, okay, so please forgive me if I've like repeated. ये हमारा bill था in Zudio. It is quite huge. I got like a lot of stuff, but I'm very happy because each thing is like 49 to 99 rupees, except for the perfume which I showed you right now. So first off, I have this lip balm. This one is from the men's collection, and it's a lip balm in the variant vanilla, enriched with almond and jojoba oil. It is very lightweight to wear. It's extremely hydrating, and it just gives you a dash of vanilla on your lips. Love it. Now it says, hey man, जो उन्होंने packaging दिया है ना, this one here, these eyes look so crazy. Like it's a men's product, of course, but who cares? I'll just use it anyways. I love a vanilla lip balm. So this is what I got. The first one is an eyeliner in the variant Love Bite. I don't know if you can like see it very well. It's a very nice coffee goldeny colored eyeliner, which was looking so pretty, and I couldn't stop myself from getting this. I think this was for like 99 rupees, and it is so worth it. A definite everyday wear. It kind of is like a brownish golden, which can be easily worn like on an everyday basis. It doesn't give you that pop of color directly, but just in itself it feels like it elevates your eye look. Also, there's something I did. Okay, I applied it when I was testing, and when I did that, I just you're supposed to remove it, right, with a makeup remover. So when I bought that remover and I removed it, it gave this glittery, it's like 1,000 stars in my hands. It was so glittery. It can pass off as like an eyeshadow also. If you like a sparkly eye, you can apply a little bit on your eyelid and smudge it out, and it gives you a perfect glittery eye look, which is so good. So that's about the eyeliner. Next, I got this clip. This one is a very pretty pink pattern clip. Now, not all the clips look like this. This one has got these, can you see the light white pattern that I'm trying to show you, which is so good. I absolutely love this. It's for 79 rupees. A very everyday cute aesthetic pink Pinteresty clip is right here. And I love the material also, you know, it's very sturdy. It looks like it will not break. Next up, I got this moisturizing hand cream. This one is in the variant Cherry Pop, and I like the fragrance also, so I just picked this up. It's for 79 rupees again, and it is enriched with hyaluronic acid. I felt my hands were like super soft after wearing this, so it is great for any season, winter, summer. Just you need a small pick me up to hydrate your skin sometimes. This is your go to. There were two other variants also. You can check it out based on your smell preferences. You can definitely buy them. This is one of those lipsticks which I got. It's a lip creme and it is in the shade Bare Blush, and it is B02 Bare Blush. I love this so freaking much. The thing is, I tried this on, okay, and the way it was so buttery and smooth and nice, I couldn't let it go. So I got this. It's a wonderful shade. It's the exact same color that's here on the packaging. If you can see, it's the same shade. It's a very everyday pink mauve shade, somewhat like a very enhanced pink, but in a rich way. It looks elegant. It doesn't look too flashy and poppy, which is what I love in lipsticks, so that's perfect. Next up, I want to show you this product. Okay, don't judge me for this. Do you remember I told you about the Sunslay sunscreen stick, which is not available anymore? So they have a different kind of a sunscreen stick which is not from the Sunslay collection, which was not available anywhere except for this store. Like, I just went to the other stores, it was completely out of stock, but I found it here, and I found not one, not two, but yeah, 6 pieces. Okay, again, don't judge me for this. I just told you that I'm gonna do the project pan and then I will not be restocking anymore. I feel like sometimes, somewhere in life, when you really love a product so freaking much that it is so portable, it's so nice and everything, and you go to look for it, you don't find it. In those situations, maybe you can restock, but I went a little ahead and I restocked like 6 of them, and the store did not have any more, so this was the maximum one I could get. And this, let me just pick one out of these, okay, because all of them are like the same. This is a Glow sunscreen stick from Zudio. It is SPF 40 again. It does not have hyaluronic acid and stuff, but it's a very good one. I just know that because I have tried this sunscreen stick and I loved it so much, so I would definitely know this one will be good as well. So I have in total 8 of them. I'm showing you 6 right now because 2 others are somewhere else in my bag probably. So yeah, these were the ones I got. Each stick is for 199. It's a bit expensive, okay, but they're very long lasting, and I would love to use them and protect my skin and get that glow on my face and on my hands. So yeah, that's a definite favorite product. Next up, I got this. It's basically a lip gloss in the exact color that you're seeing right here. It's not black, it's a purple one, okay? It might look a little black in the camera, but I'm trying to focus it for you guys because of the packaging. It looks a little bit too shiny. The plastic wrap is still on. So this one is Juice Shine from Zudio. It's lip gloss berry sorbet and it's enriched with avocado oil. So anything with jojoba, avocado and stuff like that, which is super moisturizing, hydrating, is something I'd love to pick. So I got this one, and it is for rupees, I think, yeah, 99. It is, when I glided it on my skin while testing, it was so good. So I couldn't stop myself from getting it, so I got this one. Next we have 2 nail colors from Zudio. This one is in the variant, like it's the velvet range. I got a purple one and I also got a velvet one. Actually, this is like a more grey purple kind of a color. In the camera it looks a little purple, but in reality it looks more grey purple. And this one is a very nice green, which I couldn't stop myself from getting, so I got this. Each of these are for, if I'm not wrong, it should be either 79 or 49. Okay, so 79 rupees. I love these. You pick the product and you apply it, okay? So when you first apply it, it is shiny, and then it starts turning matte and it ends matte. Like the end result of application is matte, which is so cool. I absolutely love this. Next up, we have two things which I did not get from Zudio, but I got this like outside. This one is a Swiss Beauty lip balms, which is the Kiss Candy range. It gives a tint, it gives a shine. It is so good. I took this to Chikmagalur when I traveled this time, and on that trip it was so nice. It just feels like it just lifts your face, okay? So a good tinted lip balm with the glossy finish is something which I love, and these two do the exact same thing. I got this on a whopping discount, and it was for about 79ish rupees, which is so nice each. So I love this. This one is in the variant mulberry, and this one is in the variant pomegranate. Both are awesome, definite repurchase. Next I have this nail color from Lakme. It's a very nice pink one, and it was so cute. I got this long back and I never made a haul video of it. This one was picked by my little cousin Advik. So when Advik and I had gone to the store once, he really loved this, okay? So he was like, Akka, this is for you. So I was like, yes, I love it, let's pick it up. So it was his selection, and it was so cute that, you know, when he comes with me, like he's just 6 years old now. So he's a very small cousin of mine, and whenever we go, when he was in India, we go to the store, he gets all the cute and the amazing things. He just brings them from the rack and all, and he gives it to me, and he's like, this is so pretty, this is for you, I want to get this for you. And then that kept happening with almost all accessories, which was so cute. He has amazing taste, I would say, in anything you pick, in food, in clothing, in accessories. He just picks the best stuff, and I'm like so in awe because he's just 6 years old now. When he was in India, he was probably 5 or 4.5 that time, and at that age group, I'm so stunned and so happy that he's my little brother. Anyway, this was what he picked for me, and I bought this that day, and I love this so freaking much. I haven't used it at all, it's still new, because that core memory has just locked in, so I don't want to use this also. Maybe one day, someday, hopefully. Okay, next up, this is, I think, yeah, this one is from Miniso. I got this mosquito repellent thing, which is 10 ml in size. It's a roll-on. I honestly got this because I wanted a roll-on for the trip at that time, and I never really used it. It is very cute aesthetic. I love this penguin that's on it, which is so cute. It's very handy. It can be used when you're traveling also, which is so nice. Love this. Okay, next up we have two stickers. These two, I love journaling, you know this by now. I have put videos on journaling on my channel. So journaling is a therapeutic thing, helps me sort my thoughts out, put everything on the paper, just puke everything on the paper sometimes, put a brain dump, whatever. Anyhow, I want to put this. I love putting stickers to enhance the look of my page, and to just put stickers makes it feel more cute and nice. So I got these. First one from Daiso. It is, I think they are dogs, like very cute ones, that too, in yellow color. I did not have anything like this, so I picked this one. And then I picked this. This one's from Unisol, and I got bunnies. They are expensive, I'll be very honest with you, but I like the quality of the stickers, and the amount of stickers which are coming on this sheet is also nice. So yeah, I ended up paying about 79 for this sheet right here, and this one from Daiso is 149 rupees. Should I say that this is on, like, you know, there are more stickers on this, so shall I justify the price or what? I do not know, but I got this and I'm not regretting it. The first bag is over, and now we're going on with the second bag. There's not too many stuff in this, so I'll be like as quick as possible. Although I told you that I'm gonna have like a very quick video, it has already gone up to like 20-ish minutes, which is insane. But anyways, I really hope you're hydrating yourself in the summer season and having some really good fruits and stuff, because those are essential. It's really hot out there. I don't want you guys to have like sunburns and dehydrated, puffy, of faces and bodies. So please, please, please take care of your health. With saying that, I'll move on with the next product. This one here is from Zudio again. This is a socks which I got. It's ankle socks. I couldn't let this go because of this cute pattern. Just look at it. They've got these there's on this one there's a flower, okay, and it's a very nice navy blue sock, and this side we've got a gray sock with these very, very pretty flowers which I love. This one is for 79 rupees, such a steal for the particular price, and the quality, it is so good. Next I got a bunch of face masks. Then again, when I say face masks, it is something which I haven't been regularly using in my routine. I have to start. So I have decided that every weekend I will use a face mask. So these are the ones which I got from Zudio. These are their latest collection of face masks which I hadn't seen before. The first one is this. This is in the variant Candy Ice Cream Sheet Mask. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid and vanilla extract. Helps hydrate and nourish the skin. Love their ये कैसे बताऊँ, this product, the way they've designed the front of it itself feels like you have to wear this or you have to try this out. It is so good. 100 on 100 for their marketing slash the way they present each product over here. The next one is this. This is a cinnamon roll sheet mask. It is enriched with glycolic acid and cinnamon extracts which helps exfoliate and purify the skin. Love the way it looks. That's why I picked it up. Next one, I have this waffle sheet mask again from Zudio. It's a hydrating and soothing hyaluronic acid with oat extract. It is so pretty to even look at. When I try them out, I will definitely tell you how it feels like on the skin. Now, like I told you, I don't care about the men or the women thing in few products. So here is something which I got from the men's section. It's the face mask sheet face mask in the variant charcoal, and not only charcoal, it's got niacinamide, hyaluronic acid which deeply cleanses the skin. So when you use niacinamide, it helps remove all those, I would say it just gives a lift to the skin, removes a little bit of those marks and stuff. But then again, using sheet mask just once will not do too much of anything. But the other properties, it will definitely deep cleanse your skin. It'll make it feel squeaky clean and nice, and it'll give you a nice glow. So that's what I love about sheet masks, and it moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Even though you apply it for like 10 or 15 minutes, it works amazing. So I love this. We'll definitely try and tell you how it works. Next we have this. This is so cool. It's the hot chocolate variant of a sheet mask. I mean, come on, I'm trying to stay away from all of these stuff, and in the form of sheet masks, when I just see them, it feels so tempting and nice. But it's not for eating, of course. It is enriched with niacinamide and coca oil. It helps nourish and smoothen the skin. I just want to say that when I try these products, whenever I use all of them, whatever I've mentioned in this haul, I will tell you an honest review about it. So you have to like stay tuned. But then again, I feel like it was a huge haul, right? I got like a lot of things. I definitely did spend a good chunk of money. Although each of them, these masks are like 49 rupees each, but I got a couple of them, and I just feel like they are such good paisa vasool stuff. But with Project Pan coming, I mean starting from now, I think I should be like super careful with what I'm using and make sure I use everything correctly and well. I have last two products for this haul, and this one is the eye mask. It's in the variant coffee. It's a hyaluronic acid with niacinamide enriched eye mask. It helps depuff your under eyes and also gives it instant hydration, which is so nice. I think isme there are 20 patches, and I got this also for 49 rupees, which is such a steal. I mean, 20 eye patches? Are you kidding me? This is such a good one. And next up, I have these cleansing pads which I got from Zudio again. This is a bubble cleansing pad enriched with kojic acid and turmeric. It is for cleansing and glowy skin. So whenever you wear makeup, you have to use like a double cleansing technique where you first have to remove, using a makeup remover, all the makeup. Just make sure it melts out of your skin, and then go in with the cleanser and make sure you cleanse your face really well. So this one is the pre-step of the cleansing that you do, and then after this you use the cleanser. So yeah, that is a wrap for this haul slash the announcement of Project Pan, which is going to begin from now. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've liked the video and you will try out these products, because I think that they're super cool. Detailed reviews for everything will be coming out soon in the form of empty series or my honest opinion slash review on the products. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Until then, take care. Please don't forget to like my video. Please share this with your friends and family. I love that you guys watch my videos, have been asking questions, have been interacting in the comment section. It means the world to me. Please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And with that, I'm ending this video. I love you all. Take care. Bye and lots of love.